Now, Dinthill Technical were crowned the ISSA Badminton male champions for the first time in their history after beating Oberlin 3-2 in the final. Dinthill were trailing 2-1 in the best-of-5 series, but rallied to win the next 2 games to secure the title. The Linstead-based school got to the final after their semi-final opponent, Belair, failed to show. Oberlin defeated the Carteret College to reach the season decider. Oberlin High made amends by winning the female section with a 3-0 scoreline over St Andrew High in the final. Abigail Harvey defeated Amarisa Chambers 21-6, 21-11. Ruth Ann Wogdell turned back Suan Ogle 21-16, 21-14, while the pair of Harvey and Haley Williams beat Janice Han and Ogle 21-11, 11-21 and 21-18 to win the doubles.
Do their best. They have trained long and hard. They just need to come and execute it. And the girls did exactly that and eventually won the championship.
One of our players, when she was playing her singles, she hurt her hip. When she was playing her singles, she hurt her hip and her back. So she didn't do very well in her doubles. And one of the other players, she hurt her knee and her back as well. So that's why we didn't do so well today.